Hi, today we are going to know how to create a Python file and how to run it from the command line. The first thing that we should do is to open our favorite text editor in which we are going to write the code that we need. In this case, I'm going to create a temperature temperature converter from Celsius to Kelvin. So we have to start with the print function and write whatever we want to start up with. The next thing that I'm going to do is to create a variable in which the user is going to be able to insert any number he or she wants. We are going to use the input function or keyword. And then we will need to make the information that is put in by the user as an integer, because the system would consider it as a string. So we're going to use the integer function, but before we're going to create another variable. And then I'm going to create another variable so as to make the mathematical operations for transforming from Celsius to Kelvin. So I'm going to name this variable Kelvin, and I'm going to start by putting the mathematical operations that imply the variable that we have just created, called or defined, and which is called Celsius. So now that we have our code already built, we're going to save it as we want. I'm going to save it as from cell to kill. I have to make sure, or well, I have to know where I saved this file. So now I'm going to open terminal, and I'm going to open terminal. I have to go to the folder in which the file is saved. I made a mistake. Now I have to put Python 3 and the name of the file that I want to open. I'm going to put 100 Celsius degrees, and as you can see, it gives me the temperature, the equivalent, it's the temperature is equivalent in Kelvin. So we have just learned how to create a Python file and how to run it from terminal.